Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your Android or your tablet Android. So if you have a like trouble error with your device, you cannot do anything or you forgot the lock screen, you forgot the pin, you forgot the pattern. You can try to hard reset your phone or your device by hold the power button and volume down. And here, for example, you can turn off your phone, press and hold the volume down and power buttons until you see the Android logo. Press the volume buttons to choose the recovery mode menu option. Then press the power button to select it. You can use the volume buttons to choose the wipe data or factory reset option. Then press the power button to select it. So this is, for example, this is like a recovery page or recovery mode here. So you can choose, you can go up, go down by press the volume button. So here you can try to hard reset. So this is like last resort, last option that you can try if you forgot the pin pattern or you have a error like freezing, crashing on your Android phone. So once again, you can turn off your phone in order hard reset by press and hold the volume down and power buttons until you see the Android logo. Then you can press the volume buttons to choose the recovery mode menu option. Then press the power button to select it. Use the volume buttons to choose the wipe data or factory reset option. Then press the power button to select it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.